So first you want to start off by adding whatever background color you want. This is not the complete background color, but this is just what I used. And I'm gonna make sure that I want it, the exact way. And then I'm gonna make it about 10 seconds long because this intro is gonna be for somebody and you will see that at the end. But I wanted to make it 10 seconds long so that they wouldn't get copyrighted with their song. And of course, autocorrect just messes stuff up, but GGTV or whatever. So then once I do that, I'm just gonna line it up and make it look really neat. And I'm gonna get rid of the little shadow in the background and change it white, change the font right there. And I like this font, so we're gonna keep it like that. And I'm just gonna make that 10 seconds as well. Then when I do that, I'm going to add an animation, so like how it's gonna look when it first comes in. And it's a lot of different animations on KineMaster, which is why I like it. But yeah. So that's the one I decided to choose for the animation. It just looks really clean, put together. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add her socials and go ahead and change the color and everything that I did with the name of the channel. I'm gonna do that with Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. So yeah. So as you can see, I'm just changing like the length of each one because I want the social media names to pop up like one after the other, as you can see. So yeah, that's why I'm doing that. I'm bringing the timeline next to the first social media, which is Instagram, so that the Instagram can line up with that and pop up at the exact same time as the Instagram name. And what I also love about KineMaster is that if you add any overlay, it will help you out and like basically line it up. So when you see that red line on the screen, it's basically making sure that the overlay is straight and that it lines up with something else next to it. As you can see now, I'm just shortening up the end of each overlay so that I can add a subscribe overlay, which is basically like a green screen, but y'all will see that in a second. So as you can see, this green screen that I'm about to add on, you can find that on YouTube or like Google it or whatever. You can make it yourself, but I haven't tried to do that. But you basically just download it off of YouTube. And what's great about KineMaster is it has chroma key, and when you add that into it, you'll just click the chroma key part and then turn it on and make sure the color matches the background so that it looks just like that, and it's going to be an overlay animation. Now as you can see, I just changed the background color because I feel like it fit the theme of the intro more better. So that's why the background color is just randomly changed. So yeah. So that was the finished product of the intro. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.